Hi guys, IIT Bombay have become the first institute which is going to scrap the complete lectures, face-to-face lecture for the year. Complete first 1 year of your 2-year MBA is going to happen online. So as per the NDTV, as per the director's message on Facebook, this is what we are having. Full SEM 1, full SEM 2 is going to happen online for IIT Bombay student. Now this obviously is not a good news, but kya kare yaar, what can we do? Yeah, so same IIT Delhi is saying that first one SEM will be online. In fact, a lot of colleges have not yet said that. For example, Simbi is still saying that the college is going to start from July 15 online, and then August 15 the classes will start in the classroom program. But that sounds very unrealistic looking at the number of cases going up in India. So I doubt that thing happening. But yeah, IIT Bombay have said now, this is a statement. So students are their first priority. So we took the first step in India in deciding that we should close the current semester to help our students. Yeah, so everything is going to be online. So IIT Bombay have taken this call. So how you feel about this thing, please do comment. One of the main argument which about the online program is going to be the fees. Yeah, but please guys try to understand that colleges have their own cost and everything. Now there's also now small I'm getting a feeling that CAT might go online. India, I was not expecting, now we're not expecting a V-shaped recovery, we're expecting a U-shaped recovery. So things will happen, but there will be a small lull phase and then start going up. 2020 तो I've written off यार, 2020 तो मैं भूल चुका हूँ कि 2020 करके कोई year था. 2021 future is we are going to make a comeback. So this is the right time to go for MBA. Yeah, my logic is very simple यार. अभी क्या कर सकते हैं बताओ? We have no other option. For those who have got into IIT Bombay, you should go with that. You are getting a 20 lakh ka package. Classes happen in class, classes happen online. What they have done, IIT Bombay, they have selected these 100, 120, 150 odd people out of everything, and everything gonna be online. So a lot of B school, July 15 is a deadline. They are saying they'll start the lecture, online lecture. Fees is one argument. A lot of students also were saying that fees have to be reduced. Fees should be reduced, but that call college have to take whether they want to reduce the fees or not. We can't say, I'm no one to say about that every college have to decide. I've heard IIT Bombay have reduced their fees. Yeah, same way CET Mumbai University has told that they are not going to increase the fees. So there's a status quo on the fees from Mumbai University. But all the private colleges, all the Symbiosis, Narsimonji, they have to decide on their own what they are going to do. Yeah, so there's the first news coming for 2020 year. The full MBA is going to scrap. A major college which is going to do that. For engineers, for MBA, the process is going to be same. Engineers को ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. For example, out of 4 years of my engineering, if you do 1 year online and remaining 3 in the classroom, I can still learn a lot. But for MBA, 50% of your classes are going to be online. So that is going to be a main tricky part. Cost ka, yes. See, my point is now cost is not going to go down. For the college, all their admin fees, faculty fees, infrastructure fees, maintaining infrastructure, that cost is not going to go down. Same for Narsimonji as well. In Ville Parle, next to Amitabh Bachchan ka ghar, if you have a college, you have to maintain that college. So I doubt the fees will go down. Okay. So now let's not talk about the online part. Let's keep it aside. 1 second. So IIT Bombay, you are going to get a 20 lakh package. Classroom happen, lectures happen in class, lectures happen online. Whoever is joining IIT Bombay will get a 20 lakh package. So you are joining that for the 20 lakh package. Learning obviously will happen in the second year. Online lecture, tabi ke liye we have to do that, and remaining everything will be online. Same way, if you are suppose joining Go Institute of Management or Top Me, so your package is going to be 10 to 12 lakh. Now you just have to remember that you are going to get 10 lakh package. Okay. Same way, if you are joining SIS college, package is 7 to 8 lakhs. So you are, coronavirus is a interim thing, is a small time change. 2020 is going to be affected. So I have written off. Even from the CET Ck point of view, I'm not looking at any profits. I'm just looking at the survival in 2020. This is my this thing to my staff as well. कि भाई तुम बस survive करो. 2021 we'll have a U-shaped recovery and we will make a comeback in 2021. By the time you will be in the second year, those who are joining this year, those who are going to join the college by 2021, I think things will become normal. And in this U-shaped curve, you will be in the better half of the U. I mean, not going while going down. We are investing or we are into the college while we are going up. So how you think about the college, how you think about the online thing, please do comment. All the best.